Good morning, everybody, and welcome to week 3 of Strategic Management. This is your professor, Dr. Neil Armstrong. This week, we're going to be talking about competitive advantages, firm performance, and business models. As you can see, we have the lovely PowerPoint here provided by McGraw-Hill. And we're definitely going to look at a lot of different things on this. So, you want to look at accounting profitability, drivers of firm performance. Some of these things are really, really important because they can definitely help us to understand exactly kind of how we want to go about doing things and learning about kind of how our company's doing. Knowing that definitely helps us to understand exactly what's going on. And we're going to have to talk about elements of the ROIC this week. Definitely always recommend you guys looking at these PowerPoints as well as reading the chapters because it'll definitely help you to understand basically everything that you need to know out of the context. As always, we'll have a discussion post as well as a assignment as well. Balanced scorecards definitely help us understand how our company's doing. We always want to know this because before we make any good move, we want to definitely understand kind of what our company's about and kind of how we want to go about doing things. Without actually knowing all these things, and some of these things might seem very, very trivial to you, but if you don't understand those things before you actually move forward on things, then it may be one of those things where you make a bad move, and it's one of those things where you can definitely cause some issues. So we have the discussion board post this week. Obviously, post on that. I'll post on there as well to respond to you guys. If you have any questions, always let me know. We have assignments as well. That's kind of what we got going on this week. Let me go to the overview and see if there's anything else I need to call ahead on that. So let's see. So we're going to explain the differences in competitive advantage. We want to definitely measure it and understand the kind of the 3 dimensions of that, accounting, shareholder value, and economic value as well. And we want to kind of understand kind of how we want to go about doing this and understand the frameworks within that. And we have the frameworks of balanced scorecard and triple bottom line, which we'll learn about a lot more this week. As before, as stated, if you have any questions, if you need anything from me, feel free to reach out. I look forward to working with you this week, as every week. If you need anything, let me know. Thanks.